540 ESPN, ESPNMilwaukee.com, home of the Thunder. We're at the New Berlin Ale House. It is the playoff pep rally party. Not just the Wildcats, the main event is here. Nice to have you. Hold on, I got it. Now you got it?
Always a pleasure. There we go.
This is your event. I just need to sit back, you introduce your friends. I already told you, Bill Martin, that this cake can be sent to Troy Aikman. He's worried. I know you plan on playing for a few years, but it's always nice to have a potential second finger.
It's definitely nice. Everybody talks about myself when it comes to the public relations aspect of the game, the media aspect of the game. But these guys are awesome as well. I've listened to we already know who he is. It's James Jones and Bill Martin. James Jones gives great interviews. I've done it my favorite show. He has future aspirations on whereas myself, I have a kid right now. I'm sorry, I'm going to Juju. He's going to be a light specialist around Christmas season. We had a contest.
I read about it. I know it's referring to. I think you're both sick and you need help.
We bring the hell up to speed. We compete in everything. And, of course, my life was nice and easy. JJ had like everyone. I listen to Johnson. I was lit up.
This had to be new. Did you have experience?
No. This is the first time I'm really very reflective. I mean, California, that's all we do. I mean, I never held, but I knew what I wanted to do, so I think he tried to challenge me, but he still knows me.
So where, did you give away any trade secrets? Where you got the lights?
I got all my stuff in that.
Alright?
Yeah.
Now you guys know what's coming. LED. Going to a new level.
The LED has super bright. You can totally tell when someone has
You want a big bowl?
No. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do next year. To give you a heads up. I guarantee you I will go. 80%? No, like 76%.
Oh, that's a huge difference.
You can't use radio.
You were so wrong at 80%. Without bragging, what was the difference in the Battle of Christmas Tree?
The difference was, without bragging, the difference was I was just lit up way more than him. Like, it wasn't no technique or nothing. I really like that. Because I know that's what kids want to see. Adults may want to see like kids, they want to see. Like when Greg brought his daughter in my house, oh, this is
Then you knew it was over. You knew it was over.
Yeah, I mean, he had his windows outlined with duct tape and lights. He had everything going on. He had his garage both inside and out lit up just to keep his lights on.
The Christmas tree light battle between Greg Jennings and James Jones. So you knew you were in trouble the first time you saw him.
I'm gonna tell you honestly, when he hit the corner, when he told me about his lights, and I waited, we both waited. Probably like the day before, a couple days before we actually had the contest, and he had the lights on, and I hit the block, and I'm like, oh my goodness. I mean, the whole street, it looked like everybody had lights on. That's how many lights he had on his house. Real, I kid you not. But next year, I'm going to just unscrew one light, and they're all going to shut off. I'm telling you right now. I don't know if you're my lights, because they will stay off for 15 minutes and then go out.
He's conceding defeat and now going to sabotage.
Honestly, you know what? After that loss, you always look where you could have improved. And I can't remember where we were at. We were in Chicago or we went somewhere, and I'm thinking in my mind, okay, I got that and shit, I got this shit. And then I get to see him, and he's thinking the same thing. So I'm like, that's gonna come on.
Are you both that competitive, or is this a characteristic of everybody in the NFL life?
I think it's pretty much everybody in the NFL life.
Among receivers, you have
among receivers,
because you spend most of the time, and people don't realize that you spend most of the time.